Hi everyone, a blessed afternoon. Today I will be sharing to you the parts and the translation of the verse in Numbers chapter 3 verse 40 to 42. And I will be reading to you the Hebrew word this afternoon. So verse 40 says, Wayomer Adonai El Moshe Bikor Bikor Akal Bikor Zachar Livne Yisrael Mibin Hodesh Hodesh Wama'ela Wisa Eth Mishpar Shemotham. Verse 41. Welachita eth Halwim li ane Adonai tahath kal Bikor Bivne Yisrael We'et Behemoth Halwem Tahath Kal Bechor Bibihimath Bini Yisrael. So I will be sharing to you the parse and the translation of this verse. The first is the word is wayomer. Wayomer is it a verb, call, imperfect, perfect, third person masculine, and singular with conjunction. And the translation is to say or command. And the next word is Adonai. It is a noun, proper, masculine, singular, and the translation is Lord. And the second word, let's proceed to the second word, El Moshe. El Moshe is a noun, proper, masculine, singular, with preposition to Moses. And the next is Pichod. Pichod is verb, call, imperfect, second person, masculine, and singular count. And next is Bichor, Zachar. Zachar, call, I, Zachar. Zachar an is an adjective singular. Then next word is mm, livne. Livne is noun, common, masculine, plural with preposition. And the next word is um, Yisrael. Yisrael is noun, proper, uh, rather, noun, uh, proper, singular. The word Israel. And next is Miven. Miven is a noun, common, singular with preposition. And here, in the next word is Chodesh. Chodesh. Chodesh is uh, Chodesh is in Lexham, no? Lexham Hebrew Bible is it is mm, oh, Chodesh. It is a noun, masculine, singular, and Wama'ela. Wama'ela is it a noun, common, singular with conjunction. The word and above, no, and above. And the next word is Wisa. Wisa It is a verb called imperfect, second person masculine singular with conjunction and lift up. The word in translation. And also in earth is a direct. It has an direct object marker. The word earth. And the next word is mishpar. Mishpar is noun, common, singular, and the last word is shemotham. Shemotham is a noun, common, feminine, plural. So that's the verse 40. That's the verse 40. Let's go.